Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, your go-to channel for everything classic and modern in the world of yachting. Today, we have something truly special for you. We're diving deep into the timeless elegance of the Vries Lentsch 18 to 25 meter classic motor yacht, a vessel that perfectly embodies Dutch craftsmanship, mid-century maritime design, and the kind of luxury that has made these yachts highly coveted by collectors and enthusiasts alike. From its graceful lines to its meticulously crafted interiors, this yacht is not just a vessel but a floating piece of history, combining technical excellence with aesthetic beauty. Whether you're a seasoned sailor, a yachting enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates elegance on the water, this review will give you a comprehensive look at what makes the Vries Lentsch motor yachts stand out, and why they remain icons in the world of classic yachting.
Let's start by talking about the design. Vries Lentsch, one of the most renowned Dutch shipyards, has a legacy of building yachts that are both functional and visually striking. The 18 to 25 meter range captures the sweet spot for classic motor yachts, offering enough space for comfort without becoming unwieldy. One of the most distinctive features of this yacht is its canoe stern, a hallmark of Dutch craftsmanship. This rounded, elegant stern not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also contributes to smoother handling in waves, giving the yacht a stable and comfortable ride. The hull itself is typically constructed from high-quality steel, ensuring durability and longevity, while the superstructure is often made of varnished mahogany, providing a warm, luxurious contrast to the steel and reinforcing that classic mid-century look. The overall profile of the yacht is low and sleek, with a slightly flared bow and subtle shear line, making it look graceful even when at anchor.
Polished chrome fittings, classic port lights, and a well-balanced deck layout enhance the visual harmony, making this yacht a true showpiece from every angle. The combination of these design elements means the yacht not only looks elegant but also performs exceptionally well in a variety of water conditions, providing a refined cruising experience that modern yachts often aspire to replicate.
Moving to the interior, stepping aboard a Vries Lentsch motor yacht is like entering a mid-century luxury retreat. The interiors are meticulously crafted, showcasing the finest mahogany paneling, teak flooring, and classic brass fixtures. The attention to detail is evident in every corner, from the smooth finish of the cabinetry to the carefully designed layout of the helm, salon, and cabins. The salon, for instance, is spacious and inviting, with comfortable upholstered seating arranged around a central table. Large port lights and side windows flood the space with natural light, creating a bright and welcoming environment while maintaining a cozy, intimate feel. Every element in the salon reflects a balance of elegance and practicality, with ample storage, built-in furniture, and thoughtful placement of lighting to create a warm ambience in the evenings. The galley is compact yet efficient, featuring teak countertops, well-designed cabinetry, and classic appliances suitable for preparing meals while underway. It's functional, practical, and entirely in keeping with the yacht's vintage character. The sleeping areas, including the main stateroom and guest cabins, continue the theme of refined craftsmanship. Beds are built in with carefully selected fabrics, often cream or beige in tone, complementing the warm mahogany and teak surfaces.
Brass fittings, reading lights, and discreet storage spaces make these cabins comfortable and convenient for longer stays. Even the bathroom or head follows the same attention to detail, with compact but elegant fixtures, polished surfaces, and well-thought-out ventilation and lighting. Altogether, the interior is a harmonious blend of classic style, comfort, and practicality, ensuring that life aboard this yacht feels luxurious without being ostentatious.
Now let's talk about performance, because a yacht of this caliber is not just about looks. Despite its classic design, the Vries Lentsch motor yacht performs impressively on the water. The steel hull, combined with the canoe stern, provides exceptional stability and smooth handling, reducing pitching and rolling even in moderate seas. Many of these yachts were originally fitted with reliable inboard engines, offering consistent power and a steady cruising speed. While specific engine configurations can vary depending on the restoration or build, most yachts in this 18 to 25 meter range are capable of comfortable cruising speeds around 10 to 12 knots, with the ability to reach higher speeds if necessary. The fuel efficiency is often remarkable for a vessel of this size, thanks to the thoughtfully designed hull shape and weight distribution. Maneuverability is another strong point. The yacht's balanced hull and moderate draft allow for easy handling in tight harbors, making docking straightforward for experienced captains and even manageable for those new to classic motor yachts. Steering is typically done through a traditional wooden or brass wheel, adding to the authentic sailing experience and giving the captain a tactile connection with the water. Even in challenging conditions, these yachts are known for their reliability and smooth handling, which is a testament to the quality of design and construction that Vries Lentsch has been famous for over the decades.
One of the most compelling aspects of this yacht is its unique selling points. First and foremost is its timeless design. Unlike many modern yachts that can quickly look dated, a Vries Lentsch motor yacht has enduring appeal. Its combination of mahogany, teak, polished metal fittings, and a classic silhouette ensures that it remains a head-turner wherever it sails. Secondly, the craftsmanship is unparalleled. These yachts were built at a time when every detail mattered, from the precise joinery of the woodwork to the seamless integration of functional and decorative elements.
Restorations today often maintain the original charm while upgrading systems for modern convenience, but the core character of the yacht is always preserved. Another selling point is the versatility of size. The 18 to 25 meter range is ideal for both coastal cruising and longer voyages, accommodating a reasonable number of guests without sacrificing comfort or handling.
This size range also makes maintenance more manageable than larger superyachts while still offering all the benefits of a luxury classic. In addition, the historical and collectible value cannot be overstated. Vries Lentsch yachts are highly regarded in the classic yacht community, and owning one is often seen as owning a piece of yachting history. Each vessel tells a story, from its original build and launch to its present-day restoration, and for many owners, that sense of heritage adds a dimension of prestige and pride to ownership.
The yacht also excels in providing a luxurious yet practical on-board experience.
Deck space is ample for sunbathing, entertaining, or enjoying panoramic views, while the placement of railings, cleats, and lines ensures both safety and aesthetic coherence. The helm is ergonomically designed, giving the captain excellent visibility and control, while the salon and cabins offer comfort for family and guests.
Despite being a vintage design, many owners retrofit modern navigation, communication, and safety systems discreetly, so the yacht performs to contemporary standards without losing its classic character.
For those who value authenticity, the tactile feel of the polished wood, the sound of gentle water lapping against the hull, and the sight of the meticulously maintained mahogany and chrome details make every cruise a memorable experience. This balance between old-world charm and modern convenience is one of the key reasons the Vries Lentsch motor yacht continues to attract enthusiasts worldwide.
Another notable aspect is customization and restoration potential.
Many yachts in this range have been updated over the years, allowing owners to install modern engines, navigation electronics, or interior comforts while preserving the classic lines and character.
The hull design, deck layout, and interior spaces offer enough flexibility for creative restorations, which means that each yacht can reflect the owner's personal taste while remaining faithful to its heritage.
Moreover, the yacht's construction quality means that, with proper maintenance, these vessels can last for decades, making them both a lifestyle choice and a long-term investment. For collectors and enthusiasts, the combination of beauty, history, and engineering excellence makes the Vries Lentsch motor yacht a standout choice in the classic yacht market. Finally, beyond the technical and aesthetic merits, there is the emotional appeal. Owning and sailing a Vries Lentsch yacht is about more than transportation or leisure. It's about connecting with a bygone era of yachting when attention to detail, elegance, and craftsmanship were paramount. Every curve, every polished surface, and every carefully restored detail tells a story of maritime heritage. Whether you are hosting friends in the salon, cruising along the coast, or simply enjoying the serene view from the deck, the experience is immersive and rewarding. This emotional connection, combined with the practical performance, versatile size, and unmatched craftsmanship, makes the Vries Lentsch 18 to 25 meter motor yacht an exceptional choice for anyone looking to own a classic yacht with both character and capability.
To sum it up, the Vries Lentsch 18 to 25 meter classic motor yacht is a masterclass in timeless design, luxurious interiors, reliable performance, and collectible value. From its iconic canoe stern and steel hull to the warm mahogany interiors, teak decks, and elegant fittings, it offers a perfect blend of history and usability.
Whether you are a seasoned yachtsman, a collector, or someone who simply appreciates classic design and luxury on the water, this yacht provides an experience that is hard to match. Its unique combination of craftsmanship, aesthetics, practicality, and heritage ensures that it continues to be celebrated and sought after by enthusiasts worldwide. It is more than just a vessel, it is a statement of style, tradition, and maritime excellence.
If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the Vries Lentsch motor yacht, make sure to subscribe to Sir Boats Yacht for more reviews, walkthroughs, and insights into classic and modern yachts.
Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming content, and let us know in the comments which classic yacht you'd like us to feature next. Whether it's exploring interiors, performance, or the stories behind these incredible vessels, Sir Boats Yacht is your guide to the fascinating world of yachting, one classic at a time.